If your cold emails aren't getting reply, or worse, they're landing in spam, it's not usually your offer, it's your process. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Snuv.io step by step, even if you are a complete beginner, so you can find leads, verify emails, and send cold emails the right way. Snuv.io is an all-in-one cold email tool. Instead of paying for separate tools to find emails, verify them, and send campaigns, Snuv.io does everything in one place, which is why beginners love it. This tutorial is perfect if you're new to cold email and you want leads for B2B agencies or SaaS and you don't want to overcomplicate things. I'll link Snuv.io below if you want to follow along. The first thing you'll need to do is create your account. Once you have tapped on the link below, you will be redirected to a page just like this, and you're going to tap on Try Snuv.io for free. From there, you'll be able to enter your email address and you can sign up for completely free. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And the first thing we're going to do is find leads. To find leads, you can go over to the top left-hand corner, hover over leads, and from there, you could select prospects. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and you're just going to tap on Find New Lead. After selecting Find New Lead, there are numerous options that you can choose from when it comes onto Snuv.io, and this is why it is a standout software. For instance, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, you can choose by database search, and they have a large database. You can also choose LinkedIn search, so by simply pasting in the LinkedIn URL, you can search it right there. You can also do email search, so you could type in a particular name and from there you could find that person's email. You can also do domain search, so you could type in the company and then from there you could tap on search. So there are numerous options that you can use when it comes on to finding prospects. So for example, if we were to tap on domain search, all you need to do is simply type in a sample email. So for example, let me type in a domain name real quick. Let's say I were to just select this one. After you have done that, you can see the list. So you can scroll down and from there you can choose the prospect that you would like. So you can simply tap on them. Then you can tap on Add to List. So that's how you'll be able to find leads. And that's also how you'll be able to filter. So you can filter it for buyer ready leads if you want. Now, before starting to send your email, what I would recommend you do is verify emails. And to verify emails, you can also use Snuv.io. So you're just going to select Verify from the top left-hand corner of the navigation bar, and you'll tap on Single Email Verification. And from there, you can type in the email that you would like to verify, or you can paste it in, and you'll just select Verify Email. If it is a case that you have a list of emails that you would like to email account that you would like to verify, you could select bulk email verification from the left-hand menu option, and from there you could upload the list. Once you have verified the email, the next thing you'll need to do, and by the way, verifying emails is a non-negotiable, and this is because sending unverified emails destroy your domain reputation and kills deliverability. So please ensure that you verify the emails. Once you have verified the emails, the next thing you'll need to do is connect your email inbox. To connect your email inbox, you're going to hover over deliverability. From here, you're going to tap on email warmup. After selecting email warmup, you're going to tap on add mailbox. And from here, you'll be able to connect a mailbox. So whether that be Google or whichever domain provider, you can connect it right here. So you'll connect it, and from there, Snuv.io provides the warm-up tools. So for example, let's say you're using a new domain. All they'll do is simply prepare it. So for example, they will send emails and they'll create a slow pattern, and from there they'll make your email account more trustworthy. So instead of your emails landing in spam if you were to just send it right away, now you have a higher probability of your emails going into inbox. And then from there, all you need to do is ensure that your email or your copy is up to date so you can increase your open rate and in turn increase your conversion. And talking about increasing conversion, the next thing you'll need to do is create your first campaign. To create your campaign, you're going to hover over campaigns from the top navigation bar. From here, you could choose to look at your templates. So we could select templates, for example. And you can see a few templates right here that you could look at. And if you would like to create your own, all you need to do is tap on New Campaign. Once you have selected New Campaign, again you can choose to use a template or you can choose to create one from scratch. And this is the beautiful thing once more about Snuff.io and why it is a standout platform. All of these features, normally you would have to go into 5 or 6 different softwares. Everything is included in Snuff.io, which is why it is beginner friendly and why it is used by a lot of marketers right now. Now, after you have created your first campaign, you can write out your cold email right there. And what I would recommend you do if you're a complete beginner, you start off with roughly 15 to 25 emails per day. And you'll add in some random delays and weekdays only you'll be sending. So slow sending keeps your inbox safe. And to set this up, you can also do that when it comes onto Snuff.io easily. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you can select schedules. And from there, you'll be able to schedule when you would like your emails to be sent and how much you would like to be sent. So all of this is straightforward, even if you're new to this. Now, once you have started sending your email campaigns, you'll be able to monitor your progress and your open rate by simply going back to the main dashboard. You can tap on Analyze Campaign Stats, and from here, you'll be able to monitor your open rate. Whether it be for email, you'll also be able to monitor your campaigns when it comes onto LinkedIn, and you can tap on general and you'll get a general overview. Now, this is not the end all when it comes onto Snuff.io. With Snuff.io, you also get CRM features, so you could select CRM, and from there you'll be able to add deals. You can also import your deals, and you'll be able to set up a full CRM. So this is a tool that is perfect for businesses at different levels or solopreneurs or even a mid-sized business. And again, I've included links in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to try it out. And I'm a big fan of Snuff.io and I'll be definitely doing more tutorials on it, going even more in depth. So if you want to learn more about Snuff.io, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.